Hi, I am Alexandra from ChatMaxima. In this demo, I will show you how to connect your Instagram account to ChatMaxima step by step. You will see how to link your Instagram business profile, receive customer messages in the shared inbox, and reply instantly so your team never misses a conversation. Let us get started.
Let's get started by connecting your Instagram professional account to ChatMaxima using Instagram login. Now that your Instagram business account is ready, let's connect it with ChatMaxima to manage all your Instagram conversations in one place. From your ChatMaxima dashboard, navigate to the channel section. Open Instagram. This is where you can connect your Instagram account in just a few clicks. Click Add Instagram to connect a new account. Before getting started, take a moment to read the on-screen instructions to understand the connection process. Once you're ready, click Add your Instagram account using Instagram login to securely connect your Instagram account to ChatMaxima. You're now on the Instagram login page. Enter your Instagram username or email and password, then click Login to securely authenticate your account and continue the connection process. After signing in, Instagram gives you the option to save your login information for quicker access in the future. Choose Save Info if you'd like Instagram to remember your login, or click Not Now to continue without saving. Instagram will now ask you to grant the permissions needed for ChatMaxima to manage your Instagram interactions. Review the requested access, then click Allow to authorize the connection. That's it! Your Instagram account is now connected to ChatMaxima. You can see your connected business account displayed on the screen, confirming that the integration was successful. With your account linked, you're ready to start managing your Instagram conversations directly from ChatMaxima. Next, you can view your active Instagram accounts. Click on Instagram to access and manage all your connected Instagram accounts. Here, you can view all your active Instagram accounts along with key details such as the account name, creation date, and current status. From this page, you can easily monitor and manage your connected Instagram accounts whenever you need. Now let's see how your Instagram conversations make their way into ChatMaxima. When a customer sends a message on Instagram, it is instantly received in ChatMaxima, allowing you to manage and respond to all conversations from one unified inbox. To begin, open Instagram's search option to explore and find the profile you want to connect with. Now, enter the profile name in the search bar to quickly locate the Instagram account and continue the conversation journey. From the search results, select the profile you want to connect with and continue the journey of bringing its conversations into ChatMaxima. Once the profile is selected, choose Message to start a conversation and experience how Instagram messages flow into ChatMaxima. Now, the Instagram message window appears. Inside the Instagram chat window, compose your message by adding text, images, emojis, or voice notes. The moment you press Send, Instagram instantly begins delivering the message. Instead of staying only in Messenger, the message travels securely to ChatMaxima because the Instagram account is connected. As soon as the message is sent, it's delivered to ChatMaxima in real time. Next, we'll move to the ChatMaxima dashboard to see how incoming Instagram messages are managed from a single interface. Access the inbox to manage all customer conversations across channels, including Instagram. View all conversations in the shared inbox for unified message management. Once a customer sends a message for the first time, the conversation appears under the Unread section. Open the Unread tab to view and access the new conversation. Click on the chat to open it and view the customer's message. This Instagram message is now available in ChatMaxima, allowing you to view the customer's inquiry and respond directly from the shared inbox. Now it's time to respond to the customer. Click inside the reply box at the bottom of the conversation to begin composing your response. Now, type your response. You can create a personalized response to assist the customer effectively. Now your response is ready. Take a quick moment to review your message and ensure it's exactly what you'd like to send. Once a response is ready, click the Send button to deliver your message directly to the customer on Instagram. After sending the reply, it appears immediately in the conversation thread alongside the customer's message, giving you a complete view of the interaction. Now, switch back to Instagram to see how the reply sent from ChatMaxima appears directly in the conversation, keeping the communication seamless across both platforms. You'll see the reply you sent from ChatMaxima displayed instantly in the conversation, confirming that messages are synchronized in real time between ChatMaxima and Instagram. Thank you for exploring the Instagram business account integration with ChatMaxima. You have now learned how to connect your Instagram business account with ChatMaxima and manage your Instagram conversations seamlessly from one place.